Wait, before you skip this video, just imagine something for a second. What if school buses could actually talk? Not the drivers, not the teachers, the bus itself. Because if a school bus could talk, it would probably reveal some of the craziest secrets in school history. Think about it. A school bus sees everything, every morning, every afternoon, every single school day. And trust me, some of those stories would probably get half the students grounded. Now, most people think a school bus has a pretty simple job. Pick up kids, drive to school, drop them off. Easy, right? Yeah, not exactly. Because a school bus is basically a moving reality show. Every single ride is a new episode. Sometimes it's comedy, sometimes it's chaos, and sometimes it's complete madness. And if buses could talk, the first thing they'd probably complain about is the last seat. Yes, the legendary last seat. Every school bus has one, and everyone knows that's where the chaos lives. That's where homework magically gets copied 5 minutes before school. That's where snacks get traded like they're worth millions of dollars. And that's where someone always says something like, "Hey, driver, honk the horn again." If buses could talk, they'd probably say something like, "Listen, I'm not tired from driving. I'm tired from the last seat." But the craziest moment on any school bus, that happens when someone is late. You know exactly what I'm talking about. The bus has already started moving. Everything seems normal. And suddenly, in the distance, you see a kid running full speed, backpack bouncing everywhere, shoes half untied, yelling at the top of their lungs, "Wait!" And somehow, that kid always makes it. If buses could talk, they'd probably say, "Kid, if you ran like that every morning, you'd win the Olympics." But the truth is, school buses see things nobody else notices. First school crushes, secret friendships, lunch trades that feel more serious than business deals, and that terrifying moment when a student suddenly realizes, "Oh no, I forgot my homework." If school buses could talk, they would probably say, "I've heard so much school gossip, I could start my own Netflix series." But eventually, every school bus reaches the same moment. The quiet moment, the day it retires. No more loud kids, no more backpacks hitting the seats, no more early morning chaos, just silence. And for the first time in years, the bus finally gets some rest. But sometimes something amazing happens. Someone finds that old bus again. They clean it, they fix it, they bring it back to life, and they send it back on the road. And if school buses could really talk, after everything they've seen, after every crazy ride, they would probably just say one thing. "Hey, thanks for the ride."